Yes, Bloom, sasabi na ni Ate Jo. Pero just know na dahil you guys have our back, nalilito na ako. Kasi you guys have our back, so you have a back.
Si Stacy nag-microwave ng cheese. Nilagyan niya ng foil. Umusok. Nagkaapoy yung microwave. Hindi naman. As in, nagkaapoy. Gulat na gulat kami lahat.
She's the princess talaga.
Yep.
Destroyer.
Flashback.
Uy! Shucks! Patayin mo! Ilabas mo!
Oh my God! Do not microwave the paper.
Oh my God, Miss Jules. Wait. Umapoy yung foil na papel. Ay, siya.
It's not microwavable.
The foil. Yan! Yung video. Uy, umamoy talaga yan. It's foil wala. Ang baho. Hindi ko napansin. Ang sunog.
Tunawin mo? Nag-issue na naman ako dito sa ito.
Hala, nakalive pala si Ate Colleen. Okay lang, hindi nakita yung
Oh my God.
nag-uhugit na. Parang walang gustong kumuha nung
Ano ba need? Iconic po. I was just gonna
Melt.
What?
Nilagay mo sa
pan na lang. Sa pan na lang. Ito, it's not, baka dito, hindi siya for...
Nagkagulo lahat.
Hindi ko na, pero ang layo niya. Ano, paano ahapon? Yung hindi talaga pwede mag-isa, guys.
Buti alam mo, Bel.
Staka, ano ko, princess.
Yung princess namin, kailangan ng prince.
Diary of a Princess.
No, I have to get the, wait.
Because I wanna be a cat, you can meow. If you're a tiger, you can roar. Roar? Yeah, meow but bigger.
Why do you... Bakit gusto mo mag-meow?
I wanna meow so that I can contribute to the world. When you meow kasi, it means yung predicate, it can go into pandiwa.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
Yeah.
And the
Gusto mo yung
subject
i-round off sa
will
numerator?
Sobrang laking tulong if you can meow. Like, even Ate Janice, she can smile if I can meow. Like, the worms here in our house, the ipis, they can substitute. They can melt into a mountain. And the gas, solid and medium.
Is equals to y-axis.
Oh, this is a bus. So when you meow, you can. And then when you twist it,
and then you transpose it, right?
yung tiger kasi na-transpose siya into one.
Tsaka na sa in the middle,
then
in the
divide
power
it
of
into-
8, di ba?
Sabi
Yeah,
na
very
eh,
good.
in the power of it, you can round
But
it.
what is the final answer?
Meow.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
If she wants to be a cat, I want to be a dog because I want to...
8. This is my question for you for tonight. Kung magiging animal ka.
Animal.
Okay. What animal would you be and why? Sorry,
Animal.
management.
Maliban sa cat.
Oh.
Maliban sa cat and dog.
Kasi regular your
No!
Leopard.
Feeling ko, magiging ako, lion. Because, Savanya! Sabari! Sababa! I really love that movie.
Lion and
you know
Tiger.
that movie? The Lion King. Wait. Get other mic.
Dapat bird ka
Let's
kasi
stop
pilot
Philo,
nga
no?
dream
You
mo,
know the
diba?
movie Lion King?
Yeah,
I really like the Lion King movie.
Wait. Ano
Yeah.
kasi? Ano ba? We go tambay kasi sa mall with my friends kasi before when I'm at the
What,
university.
have you watched the Lion King 3D
Oh,
3D
yeah.
version?
I haven't.
I watched that in the cinema.
Yeah.
I forgot. I forgot
live
the
with.
mall.